Hi, welcome. Let's solve. We have 8 all over 27 raised to the power of negative 2 raised all over 3. So for we to get this result, to remove this negative sign, okay, um, to make it 1 all over 8 all over 27 raised to the power of this will become too long for us, okay? So what we simply do to remove this negative sign, instead of putting it over 1, we simply turn this upside down, okay? And the negative sign we go. So what we have now becomes 27 all over 8, all raised to the power of 2 all over 3. Okay? At this point, what we do is to find the cube root of these numbers and square them. Whatever we get becomes the answer. Because one of the rules of indices states that when you have a raised to the power of b all over c, a becomes root of c, okay? A raised to the power of b. So that's what we're going to apply. This a now is 27 over 8. 2 becomes b, and this is this division sign, and 3 becomes c. So it becomes, what we have now becomes cube root of 27 all over 8, or raised to the power of 2. Okay? And then for you to get the cube root, what you simply do is to divide 27. Okay, we have 27 here. Okay, and then we have 8 here. We'll be doing it simultaneously. So 3 can divide this number, 2 cannot. 3, you have 9. 3, you have 3. And 3, you have 1. Okay, this one, 2 can, you have 2, you have 4. You have 2, you have 2. You have 2, you have 1. Okay, and in cube root, okay, whenever you have 3 same number, you pick 1 as the cube root of such a number. And then in cube root, the same thing here. So we have 1, 2, 3. We pick one of them, okay? So we have 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Which means we're going to pick 2. Okay? It means that here is 3, while here is 2. So we go. What we have now becomes, let's just continue. We have this cube root of 3 times 3 times 3, all over 2 times 2 times 2, all raised to the power of 2. Okay? So a cube root, whenever a number appears 3 times, we pick one as it. So what we have now becomes 3 all over 2 all squared. And we have a 9 all over 4, which in turn becomes 3 squared is 9, which is 3 times 3. 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4, which becomes a 2 whole number, 1 all over 4. And that is how simple it is, friends. Love you.